park ranger named Mira spent days listening to wind through pines, discovering that each rustle held a distinct rhythm. When a damaged piano found abandoned in a cabin, she translated forest sounds into a community concert. Neighbors doubted her plan, but Mira teamed with hikers, bioacoustic students, and local schools to organize a nature-inspired score. Her patience trained her to blend science with art, turning fear of failure into steady practice and patient storytelling. The festival blossomed into a movement that invited every resident to listen, improvise, and honor the forest that shapes them.